This is day 3 of Canada Day 2016.
Trace.
I don't know what you're trying to say, but okay.
I speak Spanish.
Okay.
Damn.
Sound more like French, but we went out for the sunrise at 5:30 this morning. I think Helen's gonna put some clips of it. But now it is probably around 9.
Right now?
Yeah. And this is what it looks like on the lake. And this is what our house looks like. It's quite nice. Right now, we're just dipping our feet, chilling. Some people are not awake yet.
I'm probably gonna cook breakfast soon. I really want food. I'm hungry.
Hangry. Yeah, this should look good.
Yo, I was telling Joken today I was straight thugging, but he didn't like my thug moves.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't show them to you guys. But yeah, too bad you guys can't be here. It's pretty nice. Oh, what are we playing today?
We're going to the falls.
So there's
Legend
2
of the
waterfalls
Falls.
in the area. Well, there might be more, but the closest ones are Eugenia Falls, because this is Lake Eugenia. And also one called Hogs Falls, H-O-G-G. And,
Drunk Joken make a stupid joke yesterday about it.
But yeah, that's what we're playing today. Anyway, peace out.
Alright, first stop, Eugenia Falls. We're here with everyone. Alright, stop number 2, Hogs Falls.
Where are we?
We're lost. We're lost.
Wait, Hogs Falls. Hogs Falls! Oh!
So Brandon got a pickle on a stick. How is it?
Good.
For $1?
Yeah, it's
pretty
worth
good.
it.
I wish he like stuck it the other way. Like the long way.
I think the grill is right here.
Sun's out, guns out.
Lake's that way.
Sun's out, guns out.
You might not be able to put audio. This is copyright music.
Ah, shit, true. I'll just put the back.
It's time to return to Follow the sunset strip to the garden outlet.
It's actually is
Alright,
really like.
we're finally digging in. These are Jason's gourmet grilled cheeses. Got some prosciutto, black forest ham. We have a lot of food actually, way
This is
too
lunch
much.
and dinner,
Yeah, this is
so-
a mixture of lunch and dinner.
I'm gonna grab
There's some burgers, there's hot dogs, there's short ribs, there's wings.
You got on my Snapchat.
Sorry.
That's okay. That was good. That was good. It was like.
Hey.
Go, here we go.
Oh, it's fucking cool. So cold again.
So cold.
Did you with this pool floaties?
I wet it. I cleaned it. There's a lot of like ash. Fuck.
You need some oxygen.
Hey Dan, you still want to swim with them?
Do you want to come with me?
Alright.
Do you want me to pull you?
Actually, yeah.
Oh, there's a little string on the back.
Yeah.
Are you taking both the pool noodles?
You need them?
No, I was just wondering.
Got it?
Let's see if you can go. Try paddling.
Let's. One. Two.
Oh my god.
One. Two.
Fuck, it's so
Hey, it's working!
so cold.
It's working! Woo. Just kidding. Ooh, excuse me. That was very rude of me.
I was looking hoping before we take the green one.
Oh yeah.
You know, is there someone convince him otherwise?
No.
Damn it.
No, I think he just took it.
Yo, Joken, the water's great.
Okay, Daniel. The past 10 minutes. Oh fuck, it's cold.
This is actually really nice.
What?
It's so warm, the kayak is all hot in the sun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
Yo, imagine going fishing like this. Here, let me come closer.
Yeah, come here. By the time he treads back, he's already burnt.
I can't.
Oh my god. This is hilarious.
I like how you're like, I can swim there.
I probably could.
If you really wanted to, you probably
with this
could.
equipment, I can probably swim there, no problem.
It just might take you a while.
It'll just take me a while, exactly.
You look so funny. Oh, meanwhile, they're actually pretty far now.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. I don't even think you can see them. They're all the way out there. Right.
Like you guys were way further, so you guys were like dots.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, actually, it's really warm here for some reason.
I think it's the sun.
Maybe I should get an over on this side.
Yo, it's actually like come jump in here, or don't jump. It's really shallow, but like, it's pretty good.
Are you gonna get in?
You know what, fam?
You know what, fam? Yes. This is the life.
Are you gonna come?
Huh? Maybe.
This is the life. The turned life.
The turret life. Let's get turret. I think I might have missed it, but Brandon was paddling back.
Real good.
And, you know, we want to give him some drinks, so, you know.
Some good drinks.
Some good drinks. Did you enjoy your drinks?
Enjoy the water.
Tried the drink.
Was it refreshing? Oh, shit!
Did you know he broke his paddle?
What? No.
Oh, my God.
Oh shit.
Wait, did half of it break off? Yeah. Or did he, like... Oh, shit.
Where's the other piece?
What happened? Where is it?
Oh, shit.
Oh shit, are we gonna be
Fuck.
in shit?
I don't think...
Well, we should probably tell them that.
Mm-hmm.
No wonder he was so far.
I'll go.
Rescue?
Yeah. I want to take care of them.
Uh-oh, now we're on a rescue mission instead.
I want to rescue and you guys blow them up.
Are we
Okay,
gonna blow you up?
Well, I'm gonna be in the water anyways, right?
that's true. And the water's warm, so...
No, yes it is.
Yeah, it actually is warm.
Oh, you're gonna go in the water. Okay.
I'm gonna go in the water.
No.
Oh, actually, Oh, yo.
Oh, Kevin first?
No. No, dude.
But then Kevin's gonna know too. Should we get a vote? Don't get a vote.
Get him first. Wait, he might have his phone.
We have to save it for Jason.
He might have his phone, yeah. We'll just save it for Jason.
Can I borrow your phone for a second?
No. I'll save you.
Daniel coming to save him. Oh. That hop though.
Wait, you broke the paddle?
Yeah, I fell off, I think.
No!
Oh my god, Jason. Was it a tiring? Was it a tiring ride, Jason?
Look what I caught instead!
You got a fish?
No!
Do you want some water?
You want some water?
Oh my god, no! It's this thing! That thing was inside! That was what was really caught!
Ew, dragonfly?
Is that a dragonfly?
I
It's
think
like a
so.
baby dragonfly.
Is it? Okay.
Is it really? Oh no, different. Fail. Fail.
That was dry.
Oh fuck, no! No!
No, we'll be like Jason, hot potato, catch. Dude, this is still alive.
It's okay, we were nice. We made it warm water for you guys.
Yeah, it's warm water.
Yeah, we made it warm water.
It's in a minefield. Oh, it's so cold now. Hey, what'd you do to me?
Wait, Helen.
Huh?
Anything on him?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't, no. Do it.
What? Joken, do you have anything on you?
No. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit! Ooh, I have a camera on me! I have a camera on me! So I think our cottage just got a dog. We don't know where he belongs. Yeah, we have no idea whose dog this is. Oh shit. Pup! Oh, and he's looking for somewhere to pee. Maybe he knows his way home.
Woolwich?
Oh shit! He's taking a shit! No! I'm not cleaning that up. I'm not cleaning that up. Pop, what are you doing, man?
Wait, you know who the dog is?
No. He takes a shit and he just walks away. What the fuck? What a little shithead.
Sit.
Look at him, he's trained.
Good boy.
Even though you're a little shithead. No one's cleaning up your shit, by the way.
Lie down. Lie down?
Oh, he's so cute. So his dog tag doesn't have a name, it only says Town of Woolwich, so now we're gonna have to have an adventure and look for his owner. It's over there somewhere. We didn't find it. We saw him actually take a shit and then run away and then run away to the back. So we figured it out. It was actually our neighbors like 2 doors down, so. Luckily, we don't have to adopt a dog today. Or sadly, sorry. That's true, yeah. He was really cute. He was really cute. Alright, so today is sadly our last day here. It was so lovely, all the experiences we had. We had a pretty late night yesterday. I didn't really film it, but ooh, it was intense. Yeah, so now we're just gonna go out for a little morning swim. Right, Joken? Are you ready?
Sure, man.
How nice is that view, seriously? I don't mind coming back here, honestly. So great. I love this place. Makes me kind of sad to leave, but you know, it's fine. We had a good time.
So, I don't know where it ended up, but we were swimming this morning, and then we made some marshmallows just for fun, and we also suntanned a little bit This is kind of like the side of the house. Well, this is the front of the house. This is the side of the house. We got a hammock over there where Daniel's chilling. Daniel, Melissa, and Jason are chilling, watching the lake. We are over here making some wings.
The sauce is burning.
Yeah, the sauce is burning. These are teriyaki wings. This is the first batch I made. Batch number 2. Numéro 2. I have good French. This is Grill Master Wong in the house. So these are the wings. We also got sausage. A bit more inside. We also have Korean short ribs or whatever. And so yeah, after this we're gonna clean up the house and get ready to peace out. We're also gonna eat. I forgot we're gonna eat. Yeah. We'll do one last look before we go. It's been a nice weekend. Very good weekend. Very good
5-year
5-year
anniversary.
anniversary.
5 years too many.
That's what I get. 5-year anniversary.
Wait, that's what you get.
No, that's what you get when you're together for 5 years. You get a kiss.
I thought you meant like that's all you got.
No, that's not all I got. I had way too much. Way too much. Okay. This lovely girl is gonna say bye. Bye.
So, we basically packed up, ready to go. We're just doing some last minute cleanings. Took a little time to clean, but that's okay. And Jason, I don't think I told you guys, but on this trip, we're not allowed to flush the toilet paper down the toilet, so we had to wipe. Anytime we wiped our pee or poo, we had to put it into this black bag, and then Jason just threw it out. So
We should use a clear bag.
it was nasty. And then everyone was saying we should have burned it. Like, no, that's nasty. We're cooking s'mores on that. Goodbye, Lake Eugenia. We'll miss you. We'll definitely be back, though. We'll be back. We had a good time.
Deuces.
Deuces.
Deuce?
Deuces. Yeah. You can hold it against me, because I will be. Ooh.